Alright, we are looking at our latest Menina Creations restoration concrete job. This patio was poured years ago and it cracked all over the place. It failed. They probably didn't use wire mesh or rebar, otherwise it would have been okay. Instead of tearing it out, we are doing our famous rebar stitching. Okay, it's very controversial, and that's okay. I'm just showing how we do it. It's kind of like a road map. If you look, we got all our saw cuts in. Every crack gets cut on both sides, and then we cut troughs for the rebar stitching all over the place. So yeah, with today's technology and super mixes, you don't just put regular concrete in these. We're gonna bust these troughs wide open with a jackhammer, full-size jackhammer, just about. This is a hairline. We just did some pencil stitching in there. We got a long trough here. Is going to be like a 15-foot or so rebar going all the way across to the corner here. But this method works. I've been doing it for well over 10 years. I have patios and driveways that are still holding, like the day I just did them, you know what I mean? So everybody says, oh my God, tear it out and replace it. It's a lot of work. Well, the diamonds today, you cut right through this stuff. And I'm not putting a rotor hammer on here. I'm putting a jackhammer on here. Boom, it all pops out. Throw my rebar in. The whole key is the polymer mix. It's going to be like a pea gravel mix that goes into all these troughs, and it literally welds this patio back together. Now in this case, we're going to go one extra step. When this is all welded back together, we're actually putting pencil rod wire mesh. It's 4-inch on center pencil rod, welded pencil rod mesh. It's going to be over the whole patio, so that's going to grab it too. And then we're going to pour about an inch or so topping, a special topping. That's where people freak out and say, it's not going to hold it. The mixes today and the mixes that I came up with are unbelievable. You can't even call it concrete anymore. It's a whole different ball game with the polymers, fiber mesh, waterproofing, all kind of stuff goes in my mix that becomes a weld. We're going to bond the top surface too with the pencil rod, and this is going to become a very strong patio that you'll never have any issues later on. And we do this for about half the price to tear out and replace. So stay tuned for the rest of this job as it develops. Thanks for watching. Oh, and we got our trusty 9,000 watt generator for this job. The saw cutting tools, they just take a lot of juice, and you end up breaking breakers on the customer's house, and the tools aren't as strong without good electric. So this is kind of a must when you get into concrete restoration, having your own generator. All right, we will be back with another video. Thanks for watching.